Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to use I got a Thinkcar Thinkscan, the Bluetooth, the BT 698, I couldn't remember exactly what number. Okay, 689, sorry, 689 BT. This car is 2013, 14, the same, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, the same anyway. E350 5.4 liter. So let me go inside to hook up the scanner and then we'll be back over here and see what's going on. Okay, I'm going to use this scanner for American car for. If it goes close, it better. Put the one out. Put over here. Similar. Yes. Okay. Radio. What radio? Yes. Okay. Scan this one. Let's see what code number. Okay, they say the Misfire P0301, Misfire number 1, cylinder number 1. So let me come back over there. I go to special function. I go power, trend. I go to Misfire test. Okay, let me start the car, see what's going on. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah, Misfire number 1 over here, like crazy over here. Number 1 also, number 2 too. Okay. But most of the time number 1. Number 1 like crazy. Okay. We're gonna order the ignition coil, see what's going on. We're gonna fix the problem. Okay. Now open the coil. Number 1 over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and number right side. And the left side 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let me take the coil out, see what's going on. Okay. Let's do it together. Okay. Remove this one out, fix the box out. So number Y on the right hand, the fork number 1. I don't know if I can get it, see that. So I'm going to use socket number 7 to remove ignition coil. I have one more over here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but hard. Right here. Right here. Okay. Okay, let me put. Let me take that one first. My thing now. Yeah, I want to see my hand over there. Take the ball out. Nó sao hết, nói sao? Nói tiếng Việt không sao. Ok, take that ball out. Okay, right here. because I need some coil right there. To see that. Okay, with the coil. So we're gonna order a new coil, put on and see what's going on with that. Try with that together and see what's going on. Hopefully, if it's a problem, nothing else. Okay, but no spark plug too, but I mean like spark plug are just replacement. So this coil a little bit older. Okay guys, I got the coil. The name will be WD. The part number right here. Okay. So let me put back together. Going on. Yeah, that's a brand new coil. Okay. And put a little bit grease around this side, just in case next time I take it out more easy. Now I'm gonna put back together. Let's see how they work and look like. Okay. Put the bolt on. I don't know if you guys can see the bolt. It's hard to see that. It plug in. Okay. Sure, no second. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna put data on. I want to see the my scanner. How it look like. Back on this one. Okay, go scanner. Yeah. Okay. Done. Yeah, that's the old coil. Alright, I could clear the light first before we go back to data. Okay. Okay, go cancel. Go back to the vehicle. Okay, let's clear all light first before we go to data back. Okay, so now clear all dynamical. Yes. Then go to clear all system. Okay, now good. Go back. Special function. I don't know if you guys can see that. Got to zoom a little more over there. More easy. Okay. Okay, so now I'll go to powertrain, Misfire test. Yes, I'm going to start the car. Okay, yes, okay. Feel still a little misfire, I can feel that. Okay, I don't see anymore. Okay, let's see the idle. Anything else? Okay, perfect. I don't see any misfire right now. And the fork number 1 before, we can see like crazy over here. Yeah, you can see that. Let's zoom back better. Okay, before misfire, jump over here. Now I don't see anymore. Anything perfect. You can feel the idle. I can feel the idle too. Okay, so I'll fix the problem. I'm gonna give you guys a call, your part number, if you guys like it. Yeah, that's the part number right here. Okay, ignition coil. They call it ignition coil. Okay, thank you for your watching my video. See you next video. Ciao.